Hey traders, welcome to 𝗃𝗃𝗏𝗆's weekly Forex Forecast. First of all, we hope all of you made money last week. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY, we will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗃𝗃𝗏𝗆's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, you know that we were biased to the downside. And we said if market will correct, want to push up before FOMC, we will look for our sell setups. Also, if you remember, we said not every time central bank higher interest rate, the currency related to that bank will go up. Do you remember that? Well, market gave us a corrective structure. It went up during FOMC, just a small up move. We did not trade it DXY, we were trading other pairs. So keep watching till the end. I'll explain you everything guys in details this time, and I will explain you more about market structures and how usually market moves. So all of you, keep watching till the end. What about DXY? After this drop, market started to push up. What next? Market will correct here for another push up. This corrective structure guys, or this down wave, it can go all the way down to break this low and this low. Why this down wave to break this low and this low? We have liquidity here. These are equal lows, and usually market makers target these areas. What after this drop? Another up wave will be coming. So all in all for DXY, we are biased to the upside. One direction, upwards. Mainly we are not trading this one guys, we are looking for DXY to trade the majors. And usually we go for the highest probability chance trades for the trades of the week. As example, last Sunday we gave EURUSD as sell and dollar CAD as buy. Why EURUSD? To stay away from dollar, and this one went down more than 300 pips. And dollar CAD went up more than 200 pips as how we covered on last Sunday. Not only that, the week before we gave Swiss yen as trade of the week, and we have posted this one in our YouTube channel. Those of you who missed it, let me show it to you.
For this week, like I said to you, Chief Yen, look for a buy setup on this one. As long as market does not break this, it's going towards 1265 level here. Okay, so if it comes back down once more, breaking the low, that would give you a better risk to reward for this push to the upside. Okay, that's where market is going, 126.5. We have been buying from this level, we have been buying from this level. Now this is the third opportunity for you if you want to get in. And this potentially might be the last opportunity for us to get in. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If it keeps on pushing to the upside hard, this might be a 200 pips move to the upside.
So those of you who are not subscribing to our premium analysis service, don't miss out this Sunday and the next Wednesday live session. Euro dollar for this one, we said if market will correct, one will push down before FOMC, we will look for our buy setups. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. This down wave it was during FOMC, we have traded this one. After that, market went up. It gave us a corrective structure, another up wave to break this top, and now we are going down again. Where was the trade here? It was from these levels and from these levels here. And some of us took a buy from here. Alright? If market gave us a corrective structure and dropped before FOMC, this must have been a big buy to the upside. What next? If any one of you guys is in this sell from here, you move your stops and let market unfold. Why is that? If we get a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. Now, can this corrective structure go all the way up to break this top? Yes, it can. If that happens, another down wave will be coming. So what is our bias regarding euro dollar is toward the downside. If we get a sell setup, we will go for our sell setups for euro dollar. This one, guys, is only a part of a corrective structure at the moment. Now, depending on how this will behave, if this will be a complete structure after more than one wave, this drop, it can go all the way down to break this low once more. Why this low once more? All of this will be explained in details by T on Sunday session. And just to give you a hint here, the XY might go to 100. So again, all of you guys, keep watching till the end. I'll share with you more tips and more explanations. Pound dollar for this one, you know that we were biased to the upside. Market gave us a corrective structure, one drop, and then this up wave. This was a great move, and our buy setups, our risk management, money management strategies gave us an opportunity to go for 5-to-1, 6-to-1 trade for this one. After this up wave, market started to correct. What next? We are expecting market to drop either from current levels or from above this top. In all the cases, the next wave for us for pound dollar is toward the downside, and we will be looking for our sell setups. After this drop, market will be going up again. Why? To complete the bigger corrective structure. Remember, guys, we are trading the minor trends within the big pattern. After this corrective structure, another fall will be coming here. So what next for pound dollar? Drop, up wave, another drop. After this drop, market will be shooting back up. All of this, guys, is based on experience, knowledge, and wave analysis. Remember, our wave analysis concept is a combination of all the known methodologies plus our findings. I will explain you a bit more once we go to the other pairs. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Aussie dollar for this one, you know that we were selling from the top. And if you get in the sell, we really hope all of you who trade Aussie dollar have made money here, because this was a great trade and this was an amazing down wave here. After this drop, the structure was completed and we've got this up move. So all of you who trade Aussie dollar, we hope that you made money in this drop and also in this up wave. The structure was completed and this up move was impulsive. What this means? A corrective structure, one more push up. Are we going to trade this up wave? No. So for Aussie dollar, we are looking for our sell setups only. The buys were from here. Above this top, guys, the structure will be completed and market will be ready for another drop. This drop, it will be more than 300 pips move. Now, all of you are new here, do not jump in. What we are sharing is our bias and our forecast and not a signal service. So these levels, they are not entries or targets. Before you get in, you have to follow your own strategy and your own plan. If you don't have one, create one or learn one. Jumping in will lead to big losses. Alright? Is this one of the trades of the week? We will let you know on Sunday session. Dollar yen for this one, we were expecting market to correct downwards. Instead, we've got just a small pullback and the market went up. Corrective structure, another up wave. What next? Corrective structure, one more push up is very possible. If that happens, guys, this is not needed for the structure, by the way. If that happens, a big fall will be coming. I'm repeating that. This up wave is not needed for the structure. But based on how the market is moving, a corrective structure one push up is very possible. We are already in the sell and we will look for our sell setups again if market gave us this push up and then a sell setup. Guys, yen pairs are going to fall and we don't want you to miss this fall for yen pairs. The moment we see they are ready for the fall, we will update our premium analysis service members via the dashboard, via Sunday sessions, and via Wednesday sessions. Yen pairs are going to fall. Do not miss that. New Zealand dollar, this is same as Aussie dollar. Market gave us this down wave, this corrective structure, and this drop. All of you sold from here or from here, this must have been a great trade. After this drop, the structure was completed, and we've got this shoot up. Now, all of you are still watching, and you remember this forecast. Do not forget, guys, your like and comment. Remember, your supportive comments and likes will push us to be here every single week and will help YouTube algo to show our forecast to more traders. They might need help. And if you think that our forecasts are helpful, do let us know. And also one more thing here, you know that we are adding one pair or one asset every week. Let us know, guys, in the comment section what pair do you usually trade, and we'll try to count and see the most common one in the comment section, and we'll cover it next week for you. Coming back to New Zealand dollar, what next? Looks like market will push up and then the fall. Above this top, the structure will be completed. Alright, Alan, what if this one will start to fall from here? Let it fall without us. If this one needs to fall, we will look if we get our strategy, we might go for the sell. If not, we will leave it. Our sells will be better from these areas. I'm repeating, these areas, and these are not entries. So, for New Zealand dollar, we are biased to the downside. Now, one more tip. Alan, what if this one will shoot up 500 pips to the upside without any pullback or any corrective structure? If that happens, guys, two scenarios. Either we will not be in this buy, or we will get a small loss if we will get in. Alright? Small loss, break even, or we will not be in this buy setup. Why I'm covering this here? Because we are not controlling the market. We are reading the structure and we are going for the next higher probability chance move. Remember that? Higher probability chance move. Which means if here we get 80% chance that we are going to drop, we still have 20% chance that this is going up without any drop. You must have a probabilistic mindset. And it's not about jumping in and hoping that this will drop. That's why, guys, we always say you have to have a good trading system. Anyway, coming back about market structures and retail traders' behavior. Let me explain you here one more thing. Let's go back to these levels. Alright? From here, market dropped to here, and then we started this up wave. First of all, why to here? This is related to smart money concept and order blocks, which is a topic that we cover in details in our courses as well. Now, after this drop, we've got this up wave, we've got this gap, also this related to smart money concept, and then this up move. What do you think most of retail traders, they do here? First of all, the support and resistance traders, with full respect for all of them, they are going to sell here. If they get in this sell, regarding if this is a doji here, or a pin bar or whatever candlestick pattern that they see, for most of retail traders who trade support and resistance, they are going to sell here. Alright? After this drop, where's the stop loss? For them, the stop loss is here, above this top. Whatever, if it's like 10 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, 280R, whatever strategy they use, the stop loss will be here. If they are not using stop loss, sooner or later, they will break their accounts. Alright? What happened here? Market dropped, it went back up. This group who are sellers here, they are out. Who will get in? The breakout traders. If they get in here, market went up and it started to get back down, which means they will get break even or a small win. Now, remember, this group of sellers, they will turn to be buyers after this break. Why? Because for them, this resistance will turn out to be a support. This is what they taught them. This is what brokers and the marketing of Forex trading as a get-rich-quick scheme will teach you. What happened here? After this drop, all of them who sold here, they are buyers here at the moment. What happened? Market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went up again. Now, the trend followers, they will get in here as a breakout traders, or they will get in here after a pullback. Most of them or all of them, they will be out. Because these ones, stop loss is here, these ones here, the stop loss is here as well, and those who bought here, guys, as this one turns out to be a support for them, the stop loss is here. What happened? Market makers, they trapped most of retail traders in this up wave and then this drop. What we know and what we do at Retrade Waves, we look for sell setups here, we look for sell setups here, and we look for buy setups here. Which means you have to know and you have to master retail traders' behavior and market makers' footprints. I'm explaining you guys this one here at the moment because most of you are liking and commenting. This guy's one pattern and one small explanation about market behavior. We have a lot to cover, and as most of you know now, our wave analysis concept is a combination of more than one methodology plus our findings. The first two steps for you to learn from us is the premium analysis service and the mini course that will be starting on April. Pound yen for this one, market dropped, it gave us a corrective structure, drop, another corrective structure here, this drop, and then we started to go up. You know, from here we were biased to the upside. Market went up, it gave us a small corrective structure. Up, we were expecting market to give us a big corrective structure here. It gave us just a small one, and then it shoot back up. Pull back, another up wave. This one will keep pushing to the upside until market break this top and the previous big one. Why is that? This where, guys, the bigger picture will be completed. Most of big players, big investors, also few hedge funds will be out, and then market will drop after that. For us, we will ignore these up waves. Even if market will go 300, 500 pips to the upside, we will not go for this buy. Now, we are not saying that you should not go for it. If your trading style saying to you that you should go for this buy setup, you go for it. If you are a scalper and you just see a buy setup to go for this trade, you go for it. For us, we will not go for this up wave, and we will wait this big drop for all yen pairs. So for now, you know UJ and pound yen. Like I said, we are waiting this drop. Yes, all for this one. This is behaving as expected. Market went up, give us a corrective structure, up, corrective structure, another push up will be coming. After this up wave, a corrective structure will start for another push up. So all in all, we are in an uptrend here, a corrective uptrend at the moment. If this turns out to be a corrective structure that we know, a big fall will be coming. At the moment, market is just giving a corrective structure, trap retail traders again in the buy, and then the fall will be coming after. Gold for this one, you know most of our traders who trade gold get in the sell exactly from here. It's not about picking tops and bottoms, it's about knowing how to trade correctly. And this is very important, guys. Know how to trade correctly. And do not think that we do not get losses, just to be clear here. We also get losses, and they are a part of the business. Do not try to avoid losses because you cannot. All what you have to do is to manage your losses wisely. What do you mean by that, Alan? Manage your losses wisely means all you have to do is to take small loss once you are wrong. Alright, guys? Big loss shouldn't be one of the situations. So after you get in the trade, you have to have only 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small win, or big win. How to achieve that? Good system, great risk management plan. If you have those, and you learn how to trade correctly, you will make big profits. And by the way, guys, we have a lot of success stories. You can check them in our testimonial page on our website. And a lot of our traders, they have passed FTMO and a lot of other funded trader challenges. Coming back to gold. After this drop, we've got a corrective structure here, another drop, one push up, and then this drop. We were expecting a market to start correct upwards from these levels. Instead, we've got this drop, corrective structure here, and now market is correcting. So all of the traders who are selling from here, either they took profits or they are still holding portion of it. Why I'm mentioning this? Once you get in the trade, try to take partial profits in case market will go in your direction more than you expect, because this happens, guys. As example, if you get in this sell from these levels, try to take 50% off and leave the rest at break even. Look what happened here. Market gave us a corrective structure. we were expecting market to correct upwards. Instead, we've got this drop. So this is how you can maximize profits once markets start to go in new direction. Those of you are closing the trades early, try to take partial profits and move the rest at break even. And by the way guys, if you have questions regarding trading, put them in the comment section. I will try to choose one next week and answer it. But please do not ask about our 4 strategies because they are private for our members, and we are going to implement the 5th one this June. If you have any question regarding trading, put it in the comment section. I will try to pick one of them and answer it next week. Now, what for gold? For this one, the next wave is toward the upside. We will be looking for our buy setups either from current levels or from under this low. Even if this one will fall to break this low, we will be looking for our buy setups only. Make sense? Buy setup for this up wave or buy setup for this up wave. For gold, we are biased to the upside. Is this one of the trades of the week? Subscribe to our premium analysis service to know more. And by the way guys, this is the dashboard our premium analysis service members get access to. Inside this one, they can find Sunday and Wednesday live session links and recordings. At the same time, we are updating the trades of the week and announcements inside the dashboard. So any update regarding the trades of the week or any other pairs that we see, we will put it here for you. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, all the details are in the description under this video. Dollar CAD for this one, this was great. Last week we said market will be going up and we were aiming for this one to go all the way up and break this top. It went up from here to here. This was more than 200 pips move and the market started to fall. So most of our members who took this buy, they must have made profits here. The next trade was on Wednesday during FOMC and market went up here as well before this drop. This must have been a small win or a break-even trade. In all the cases, market went down and now looks like we are going to go up again. Alright guys, this up wave, it will be just to match this one and then another drop will be coming. At the moment, we are focusing on our buy setups for dollar CAD. Silver for this one, market went up, we are going into this down wave now, and if this is a corrective structure, we are going to go up again. So for silver, we are looking for our buy setups from current levels or from under this low. Why market can go down to break this low? Because here we have a pattern and a structure that can bring silver all the way down under this low. For gold, it's the same pattern. What is the invalidation of this pattern? This up wave. So, in all the cases, the next wave is towards the upside. Bitcoin for this one, you know that we are buyers. This is a sideways move and looks like this a contraction for another push up. So for this one, all of you are in the buy, you move your stops and let market unfold. If this one will go up to break this top and this top, you keep moving your stops. Any drop will be a new opportunity. Like I said, we are buyers and we are looking for another push up. By the way guys, a lot of coins are covered on Sunday sessions. Nifty for this one, looks like market will correct downwards for another push up. And just to let you know guys, usually for indices, we wait market to correct or to pull back and then we go for the next buy setup. Usually, we look for buys on indices. So, for Nifty, wait market to correct downwards, you go for your buy setups after this down wave. SPX, UKX, Aussie 200, all of these guys are covered on Sunday session. So if you are interested, all the details are in the description under this video. Like I said, if you want me to cover any other pair, you leave a comment and we will count the pairs that have more comments and we will cover it next week. At the same time, if you have any question regarding trading, put it in the comment section. I will try to pick one and cover it next week for you. With that note guys, I wish you a great trading week. You trade with care Do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.